Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Step-by-Step English podcast. I am your host, Alex, and today is a very special day. Can you guess why?
Hi, Alex, and hello to all our listeners. I think I know why. Is it because love is in the air?
Exactly, Emma. It is almost Valentine's Day, February 14th. So today, we are feeling a bit romantic.
That's right. Valentine's Day is a popular day in many countries to celebrate love and friendship.
But Emma, talking about love in a different language can be difficult. I get nervous.
Don't worry, Alex. That is why we are here. In today's episode, we will teach you simple and useful English vocabulary for Valentine's Day. We will talk about relationships, feelings, and going on dates.
Sounds perfect. By the end of this podcast, you will be ready to impress someone special in English. Let's get started. Okay, Emma, let's start with the basics. If I meet someone, how do I describe our relationship? What do we call people?
Good question. Let's begin with the words for the people involved in a romantic relationship. If you are a man in a relationship, you are usually a boyfriend. If you are a woman, you are usually a girlfriend.
Okay, boyfriend and girlfriend, simple.
Yes. For example, she is my girlfriend. He is my boyfriend. Did you meet his new girlfriend?
What if they are older, or maybe they don't like the words boyfriend or girlfriend?
A very common and neutral word is partner. You can use partner for any serious romantic relationship.
Can you give me an example with partner?
Sure. Alex, this is my partner, David. They have been partners for 10 years.
Okay, that's useful. And what if people are married?
Then we use husband for the man and wife for the woman. For example, they are husband and wife.
And what about me? I am not in a relationship right now. What am I?
You are single. For example, are you married? No, I am single. My brother is single and he is looking for a girlfriend.
Okay, I am single now, but maybe I like someone. How do I talk about these feelings in English? It's scary to say, I love you immediately.
You are right, Alex. I love you is a very strong phrase. We usually start smaller.
What is the first step?
The first step is often having a crush on someone.
A crush. What does that mean?
To have a crush on someone means you secretly like them a lot, but maybe they don't know yet. It's a very common phrase.
Oh, I see. Like when I was in school, I had many crushes.
Exactly. Here are some examples. I think I have a huge crush on the new girl in class. Don't tell anyone, but Sarah has a crush on Tom.
Okay, after the crush, what comes next?
Next, you just like someone. You can say this directly to the person. I really like you. I like spending time with you.
That is nice and simple.
Yes, and when you get very nervous around someone you like, we have a great idiom for that. We say, I have butterflies in my stomach.
Like real butterflies? That sounds uncomfortable.
No, not real butterflies. It just means your stomach feels funny because you're nervous and excited. For example, every time I see her, I get butterflies in my stomach.
I love that idiom. Okay, so we have crush, then like. And finally,
love, to fall in love. They fell in love last summer. I think I am falling in love with you.
okay, Emma, I have a crush. I have butterflies. I want to do something for Valentine's Day. What do we call going out?
We call it a date. Date can be a noun or a verb.
How do we use it as a noun?
As a noun, it's the event. We are going on a date tonight. Our first date was at a coffee shop.
And as a verb?
As a verb, it means you are seeing someone romantically regularly. They have been dating for 3 months. Are you dating anyone right now?
Okay, so how do I ask someone for a date? This is the hardest part.
It is. The key is to be polite and clear. A great phrase is, would you like to?
Can we do a quick role play, Emma? I will ask you on a pretend date.
Sure, Alex. Go ahead.
Ahem. Hi, Emma. Would you like to go out for dinner with me on Friday?
That sounds lovely, Alex. I would love to.
Phew. That was stressful even in a role play.
You did great. You can also say, do you want to grab a coffee sometime? This is more casual. Are you free on Saturday night? I'd like to take you to the cinema.
Great phrases. Now, what do people usually do on Valentine's Day?
Well, traditionally, people give gifts. Common gifts are flowers, usually red roses, chocolates, often in a heart-shaped box, or a Valentine's card.
A card?
Yes, a card where you write a nice message. You can simply write, Happy Valentine's Day.
Before we finish, Emma, I hear couples calling each other strange names in movies, not their real names.
Ah, yes. These are called terms of endearment, or cute nicknames. They show affection.
What are the most common ones? They always sound sweet.
There are many, but let's stick to the most popular ones you will hear in English. The biggest one is probably baby or babe.
Yes, I hear that a lot in songs. Oh, baby, baby.
Exactly. Other common ones are honey or hun, sweetheart, darling.
Can you use them in a sentence?
Sure. Honey, can you pass me the salt, please? Good night, sweetheart. Hey, babe, are you ready to go?
Okay, but I should only use these with my boyfriend or girlfriend, right? Not my boss.
Definitely not your boss, Alex. Only for very close romantic partners or sometimes family members.
Wow, we covered a lot today, from having a crush to going on a date and using cute nicknames like honey.
Yes, we did. I hope this helps you feel more confident talking about romance in English. Whether you're single or have a partner, these are great words to know.
Now, listen everyone. If you liked this romantic episode, please show us some love. Hit that subscribe button right now so you don't miss our next lesson. Hitting subscribe really helps our channel grow. Yes, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, like it, and leave a comment below. Tell us, do you celebrate Valentine's Day in your country?
We love reading your comments. Have a wonderful Valentine's Day, everyone, full of love and happiness.
Happy Valentine's Day. See you in the next step. Bye.